7.3-liter diesel utility truck. The best Ford engine. Ford made. 7.3-liter diesel. This truck mechanically sound. Runs 100% perfect. The tires still have about 95% life. It's got departments for the tools. This is to lock the tools, so you can lock it. Roof rack. Beautiful work truck, guys. Pick up the phone and call to buy it. I can ship this thing to you for $400 to $500 to your door. It's a great utility truck, mechanically sound. It's got the extended cab. Also blows ice cold air conditioning. Radio works. Florida highway miles. Call right now, 954-937-8271 to buy this Florida utility truck. Visit bigboydiesels.com, bigboydiesels.com for more diesel trucks, rust-free Florida trucks for sale. Smooth shifting transmission, lots of power, great 7.3-liter diesel power stroke. Nice running truck, guys, don't miss it. I can ship this to your door for $400 to $500. Call today to buy this truck. Thank you.